A very good morning to our respected principal. Once again, all the students all together wish a very good morning. Good morning, sister. Good morning. A very good morning, sister, dear teachers and students. Do you know why we have gathered here today? Do you know that? What special day today we are having? Okay, so let me tell you. Today we are celebrating World Health Day. What we are celebrating? World Health Day. World Health Day is celebrated every year on 7th of April. And this year we are having the theme on this World Health Day is Together for Health, Stand with Science. So today you are having students here before you. And our teacher, Miss Ronita, as in charge of this health club. They will be enlightening you that why this day is important for every one of us. So once again, welcome them with a round of applause, everyone.
Science is proving that the human body can heal itself, but only laws of health. Respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends, today I stand before you with a sense of purpose and awareness to speak on the occasion of World Health Day, a day that reminds humanity that progress without health is meaningless. In an era where science is advancing at an extraordinary pace, where diseases are being cured and life expectancy is increasing, it is surprising that health challenges are still growing. The reason is simple. We often ignore science when it comes to our daily lifestyle. The theme for the World Health Day 2026 is Together for Health, Stand with Science. This powerful theme emphasizes the importance of unity and scientific thinking in safeguarding our health. It calls upon individuals, communities, and nations to come together, draw scientific knowledge, and work collectively to not protect only the health of humans, but also to protect the health of animals and our planet. It also reminds us to fight against misinformation and rely on evidence-based decisions for a healthier future. World Health Day, led by the World Health Organization, WHO, is not merely a celebration, it is a global movement. It spreads awareness about crucial health issues, promotes access to healthcare, and inspires people to adopt healthier lifestyles. Now, let me present a creative perspective to three simple letters.
W for world. The world stands united when it comes to health. Diseases do not recognize borders and neither should our efforts. Global cooperation and shared responsibility are essential to ensure well-being for all.
H for health. Health is the foundation of a meaningful life. It is not just the absence of illness, but the state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being. When we value health, we empower ourselves to achieve our dreams.
D for day.
This day is a reminder, a call to action. It tells us that caring for our health should not be postponed. Every day is the right day to make healthier choices and to stand with science.
Dear friends, in today's world, misinformation spreads faster than diseases. That is why standing with science has become more important than ever. Science gives us facts, solutions, and hope.
But before we conclude, why don't we all take a meaningful pledge towards embracing a healthy and responsible lifestyle on this World Health Day? I request everyone to kindly stretch your arms forward and repeat after me. I pledge that I will value my health.
I pledge that I will value my health
As my greatest asset.
as my greatest asset.
I will adopt a balanced diet
I will adopt a balanced diet
and maintain a disciplined lifestyle.
and maintain a disciplined lifestyle.
I will engage in regular physical activity
I will engage in regular physical activities
and ensure proper rest.
and ensure proper rest.
I will prioritize my mental well-being
I will prioritize my mental well-being
and manage stress positively.
and manage stress positively.
I will follow scientific advice
I will follow scientific advice
and avoid misinformation.
and avoid misinformation.
I will maintain cleanliness
I will maintain cleanliness
and promote hygiene in my surroundings.
and promote hygiene in my surroundings.
I will spread awareness about health
I will spread awareness about health
among my family and community,
among my family and community.
and I will contribute towards building a healthier,
Contribute towards building a healthier,
stronger, and more responsible society.
and more responsible society.
Thank you.
Regarding our health as well as everyone around us, whether they are animals as well. So dear students, it's very important to take care of ourselves as well as our society. And to conclude this, I request Madam Miss Ronita to please enlighten our students on this day.
Good morning, respected director, principal, teachers, and my dear students. On the occasion of World Health Day or World Health Organization Day, I feel honored to speak to you today. As an infirmary in charge, I get to see closely how even small health issues can affect your daily life, from headache and fatigue to stress and infection. This year, WHO team is Together for Health and Stand with Science. Remind us that staying healthy is not just the responsibility of doctors, but of each one of us. Health is built through small daily habits like eating nutritious food, staying active, maintaining hygiene, and getting proper rest. At the same time, science plays a very important role in keeping us safe. Whether it is important that we trust scientific knowledge and make informed decisions about our health. Let us take a small pledge today to follow healthy habits, trust science, and support each other in building a healthier future. Thank you. Have a healthy day ahead. May God bless you all.
It's such a beautiful reminder that you all are supposed to set a schedule for yourself. So I hope you will follow it. You will stop using this screen as it is making you more anxious. And for this reason, you are not sleeping on time and your schedule is not fixed. So once again, thank you so much to all the teachers and the students. A round of applause once again for this.